Music affects endorphin levels. According to this study, musical activities like singing and dancing are associated with higher levels of endorphins. This meta-analysis suggests that active engagement in musical activities, for example vigorous singing, dancing or drumming, results in greater endorphin activation than passive listening. One study found that listening to techno music is accompanied by a significant increase in beta-endorphin. The reason is thought to be because of its strong rhythmic beat and engagement of motor regions of the brain. The same study detected no significant changes from listening to classical music. Another study found that relaxation following music listening is associated with endorphins. The meta-analysis states that, as indicated by the evidence reviewed above, the way that we experience music, whether during passive listening or active engagement, appears to involve the endogenous opioid system, and endorphins specifically. Listen to music you enjoy, dance, sing, and drum if you feel like it. Create music if you're into that. The more active your role in musical activities, the more endorphins you seem to get.